Meaning of insistence.
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 Insistence. The term insistence refers to the act of firmly demanding or persistently advocating for something. It implies a resolute and unyielding determination to achieve a specific goal or outcome. When someone insists on something, they are expressing a strong conviction that it is necessary or essential. The result of insistence can be both positive and negative. On the one hand, it can lead to success in achieving a desired objective. On the other hand, insisting too persistently or inflexibly can also create conflict, resentment, and potentially undermine relationships.